10-pound beef roast. With lots of carrots and potatoes all around it.
Yeah, I love
And
that.
then
Me
the
too.
next day I'd have roast beef sandwiches and a giant pot of chili.
Yes.
Huge.
Yes.
And
And
you love it.
and biscuits, Margaret.
That's one of Mother's stories. And her mother said she could get my mother out of bed by saying, "Biscuits, Margaret," and she called. Mother would hop out of bed and go to breakfast.
Yes, yes. And you would make biscuits for Nana when she came.
Yeah, she loved biscuits.
I know. You had 12 kids to get off to school, and you would make biscuits for Nana.
I think she made them a couple of times a week, regardless whether Nana was there. I always remember you rolling out the dough, the Bisquick, rolling out the dough and using a little glass to cut them, to frame them.
She'd use a glass.
But you would do that often at our house.
Things you learn.
And cooking as fast as I could cook.
Mm-hmm.